Hey guys, Mark St. James with On Your Mark. I'm here with an unboxing video about watch winders. So this is the box that I got from Barrington watch winders. I've yet to open it. That's a lie, I've actually already opened it once and done this, but the whole video was blurry, so here we go again, round two. Alright, so this is the box that we got from Barrington watch winders. You can see they pack it very well. It's from the UK, so there's the foam here. You get the little leather package. In here is the cord if you want to connect multiple of these watch winders. So this is a single watch winder, so they come in 1, 4, 6, and 12. So this is the cord if you wanted to connect multiple, and there's also instructions in there. And take it out for you. And it just pops off like that. I got the color crimson red, and that's what it looks like. On the back here, so there's dials. So the in is obviously for your power. This one here is your the direction that you want to go. So if you're turning it clockwise, counterclockwise, or alternating. And then this one is your turns per day. So you can see this one here is set at 650, 750, 850, 1000, and 1950. That's generally to do with how large your watch is, but also each automatic watch has its own setting, so you want to check the manufacturer's website to see which settings your watch is going to need. It can also be battery operated if you're traveling, 2 AA's. And on the front, this is the little pillow that you would set your watch on. You just squeeze it like this and it pops out. So it's very, very simple to use. And in the back is adjustable for different wrist heights. Alright, like that. So if you have a really large wrist or really small wrist, it works for any. And I'm going to do a little video here just on how I'm going to set it up and how it works. Okay, so basically in order to operate this, you just want to take your power cord, plug it in the back here where it says in, and you're basically wanting to learn the turns per day for your specific watch type. So for this IWC automatic, if you Google it, basically they have a whole list of all of their turns per day for a watch winder and what you should set it at. So for this particular one, it's actually 800 going counterclockwise. So you could set it here. So right now it's set to clockwise. So that would be, that would be counterclockwise there. And you want to set it, so it's at 800, so I'm just going to put it at 750 revolutions. So we'll turn it off just to to put the watch on here. I'll show you how that's done. Just squeeze that, pull it out, put the watch on there, make sure it's locked in place, put that back in, make sure it's secure, and when you turn this on, clockwise, counterclockwise, you see it winding your watch. Now, the benefit of having a watch winder is that a automatic watch, like a car or anything, you need to keep the parts moving, otherwise it can actually deteriorate over time. This watch is not cheap, so you want it to last as long as possible. So having a watch winder like this is actually very practical, and it's a great gift for someone who has everything. With automatic watches as well, there is such a thing as overwinding. Some companies say you can't overwind them, which is how those watches are made, but it is a possibility. So the benefit of this Barrington one is that every minute it will stop winding for as much time as you need to fill your turns per day. So if you're set at 800 or 850 or 750, see it stopped here. So now what happens is it's going to wait until it fills out that mathematical formula, and then later on it will start for another minute, and that's for 12 hours. And then for 12 hours it stops winding. So your watch has time to tick, but this way it will always have your time and date set. You won't have to worry about that. It's just it's a luxury, but if you're spending that much on a watch, it's good to have. Thanks for watching, and if this was informational to you in any way about watch winders, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks a lot.